Welcome to our channel. If you want to add channels to your YouTube TV subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to expand your viewing options. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or navigate to tv.youtube.com using your web browser and sign in to your account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or avatar located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account preferences and subscription options. Step 4. In Settings, click on the Membership or Subscription tab to view your current plan and available add-ons. Step 5. Browse through the list of premium networks and channel packages, such as HBO Max, Showtime, Stars, or Sports Plus. Step 6. Click Add or Subscribe next to the channel package you want to include in your subscription. Step 7. Review the additional monthly cost for each add-on, which will be billed along with your base YouTube TV subscription. Step 8. Confirm your purchase and the new channels will be immediately added to your lineup. You can start watching content from your newly added channels right away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.